Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Perfect Flicks. First of all, a very happy Diwali to all of you guys and your family. I hope you're enjoying this festive time a lot. So today we are talking about home decor, okay? So we know that Diwali is the festival of lights and we die to decorate our houses. And right now during lockdown season, I know it's a little difficult, to deal with the entire situation because Diwali usually families meet and all of us get together for card games, tash, and I don't know what not. So everyone would be a little bit low, but do not worry, you could still catch up with everyone on video call and also celebrate the festival virtually. So today we are gonna talk about home decor during Diwali. So Diwali is one time when all of us go on cleaning the house and our moms run with the brooms behind us ki ghar saaf karo and all those things. So yeah, we are going to talk about how we can decorate our houses with most minimal effort and it will look really colorful and really beautiful, and insta worthy pictures you could get in those backdrops. So let's get started without any further ado, and before we get started, do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and do press the bell icon to get notifications each time I upload a new video. So yeah, let's get started. So for each decoration of our houses, we actually choose corners. So we choose balconies or maybe the entrance of our house or maybe the veranda and so on. So any decor that you have to choose will depend on the layout of these spaces that you choose in your house. So I have chosen my balcony because my balcony is super small and easy to decorate, and it also gives really good festive vibes because you could hang on lights at the balcony and it'll look really pretty even from the outside. So I have chosen the balcony to decorate my house, and I will show you what all items I have used to decorate the balcony. And right now I'm actually shooting in the balcony, so you could see glimpses of what I have done already. So yeah, first things first, marigold flowers, okay? I just love marigold flowers. They look so pretty and aesthetic to the eyes. It looks really appealing. So you could always use flowers to decor the entrance of your house or at the walls, and it will look really pretty and colorful. So you could use artificial flowers that I have ordered from Amazon. You could find the link in the description below. It's from the brand Archie's. Or you could also go for fresh flowers. I went for artificial because I need to retain these flowers for 3 days of Diwali, that is Dhanteras, Choti Diwali and the main day of Diwali. So that's why I went for artificial flowers, but you could always go for fresh flowers as well because they look much more appealing and the fragrance will be so good, and it will really change the entire look and feel of your house. So flowers are the most important part. You could choose any flowers. I have chosen marigold flowers for the backdrop of my balcony. So yeah, it looks really pretty. They are orange and yellow in color, and I really love this idea because it gives a lot of festive vibes. Secondly, for the lights, we have so many options these days, guys. We have so many options online. So I have chosen these pink lights that I would put at the border of the entire balcony, and they will look really appealing because I can't light diyas because I have a grass carpet, I have curtains, so it's a little risky to light diyas at the edges. So I went for these pink color lights at the corners, and also for the plants I have chosen pink color lights because it looks really pretty. And also you could choose gold and warm golden lights, and it will look really aesthetic during Diwali, and especially for the spaces that can be seen from outside, warm golden lights are the ones to go for, and there are many options available on Amazon. I have chosen these star lights that I got from Amazon from the brand Satyam Craft. So they have a huge variety of lights, and also you could check out the website. They are Mumbai based website Cronus Lights. They have beautiful collection of lights that could light up any of your spaces and change the look and feel instantly. So you could always find these lights in these websites, and I will make sure I add the description below and you can check it out. I'll add all the links. And yeah, so the lights are the main part, okay? It will change the look of the entire space once you add lights. So when it comes to Diwali, we also look for these easy hacks that we can do to our existing furniture. So your existing furniture could be changed drastically by adding a little pop of color and an Indian traditional look to it. So let's see how we can do that. So I had this puff stool that is an ottoman in my room, which I thought I'll add to my balcony, but that is red in color. Red in color is good, but you could always add a bit of Indian culture and tradition to it by using the cloth pieces that you have at your home. So I had this dupatta that I got from Jaipur that was blue and pink in color, and I have used pink lights, so that would surely go with it. So I wrapped up the puff stool in that dupatta, and I have it right here, and it looks like so traditional, and it also matches the entire look and feel of it. So yeah, you could always change the look and appearance of your sofas, your tables, and also a lot of your furniture items, even the chairs. You could just wrap it up with some the cloth pieces that you would have at home. I'm pretty sure every Indian house have a lot of cloth pieces stocked up in the form of dupattas, table covers, and all of that. So a lot of these pieces could be used to change the look and feel of your furniture. And after Diwali is over, you could take it off, and then you could come back to the original basic interiors of your house. So I think that is a really good idea to change and get into the festive vibes of Diwali. Yeah, that is one hack that you surely must try. So usually people go in for rangoli. They have the rangoli powder and they put in lots of efforts to make the rangoli. So for people like me, I used to make rangoli until like 2017, but then since we have got these artificial rangolis going on and we have a lot of options on Amazon, I used to always order it from Amazon, but this time I was late to order it and I was getting the delivery date maybe like November 20, November 21. That is way too ahead of time. So I thought, like, why not make an rangoli of my own, and I was using this puja ki thali that I have. So that puja thali is really pretty. It has this mirror work and bead work on it. So I thought I'll just keep that in the center, and then I'll have these puja ka kapra right on the all sides of it, circling around it. And also I would fill in water on that thali. Okay, I was going to use that puja thali as an urli. You call it in south of India, we call it urli. I'm not very sure what's the actual word. So in urli you usually get of brass, so you could use that as well. And there are a lot of online websites that would give you a lot of options of urli. So you could just search for urli on Amazon, you'll get a lot of options. So that urli you could always fill it with water, and then you could put these petals of flowers. I have used potpourri for the flowers because it will give a really good fragrance to the entire room. So I have added these potpourri flowers on the water, and I've kept a diya in the center, that is a matka diya, and it looks very pretty. And on the sides of the rangoli I've added these LED battery diya lights, tea lights. So that also it's a really less effort. It runs on battery, so you could always decorate using those tea light diyas anywhere at the entrance of your house and at the corners and edges of your room, and also at the edges of your veranda, which will look really pretty. So you could always even use matka diyas if that is what you like. So you have a lot of options for matka diyas as well. I usually prefer diyas like hand painted diyas. So at these times you get a lot of people selling hand painted diyas, and I'm always vocal for local. So you should always support local businesses. So I would always encourage you to go and buy it from these places, especially when it comes to these stuff that are handmade also. So you can avoid Amazon and go to these local stores, and even the housewives who are selling it from home, and you could support them, support small businesses. So yeah, that's what I always encourage you to do. And if you do not want to light diyas, you could go for the tea light LED battery diyas that I have gone for. So yeah, and that will give a really good appearance to the entire place, and it will light it up and it'll look really pretty. Also guys, you could have a lot of your jewelry pieces on your furniture as well as on your walls. You could use a lot of things, mix and match it up, and decorate your spaces. And also you could make handmade candles. So you get a lot of handmade candles outside in stores also, but making candles is super simple. I have tried it myself. You could always check it on YouTube. You can have a lot of options and videos available how to make handmade candles at home. So it's a really simple process. I have tried it myself. So you could make these handmade candles, and you could even paint it as well, decorate it, and you could use these glass holders and keep the candles inside it, and you can hang it in your balcony or your rooms, and look very pretty, guys. These things are like really small things, and you could always use glass paint to paint on the glass that is holding your candle. So these things will make it look really colorful and really lit up your room. So we all know, like, Banjara Market in Gurgaon is famous for these antique decorative items, and a lot of furniture as well. So Banjara Market is right now available online. So if you can't go there, like, I am based out of Trivandrum, so I can't go to Banjara Market myself. So you can get a lot of antique furniture for your Diwali decor from Banjara Market that we have online. So I'll tag the website below, and do check it out. And also there are a list of Instagram pages that have beautiful variety of like furniture, and each time the festive season arrives, they bring out a new collection of furniture and decorative items, one of which is Ferny Blooms. So this page is like my most favorite. Each time I go to this page, I just get impressed by the collectives they have, and it's so original and antique. You won't find it anywhere else online. There's this lady who runs it, and she comes up with beautiful decorative ideas, and she also has a lot of IGTV videos based on how you can decorate your spaces. So do check her out. So guys, that's all for today, and do let me know if you like this video in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe and like this video. Also, if you're decorating your spaces based on the ideas that I've given you, so do not forget to tag me in your Instagram story @perfectflix and follow me there as well. And happy Diwali to all of you. Shubh Diwali, and have a great time with your family. Spend lots of time with your family and have lots of mithai. And yeah, happy Diwali. Have a great time. See you next time. Bye bye.